Well, you know us, we love to express our creative side, and it's the perfect time to introduce you to the sponsor of today's show, which is the amazing laser engraver by Creality, and it's the FALCON2 PRO. Now, I absolutely love it. I love my tech, I love my gadgets, and I love being able to just play with things like this, because this has been the coolest thing ever. I've never owned a laser engraver, I've never had to play with one, and I've been able to set this up, get it all going, and being able to download the software and work with it straight away. It's easy, and it's so much fun to watch. Now, there's so much again packed into this, just this little tiny machine. All the safety features that it's got like 3 system cutouts, so if it's not getting the air to draw out, it cuts out. If it detects any sort of fire, that doesn't mean fire, it just means if the wood's starting to burn, it cuts out, and it just does everything I need it to. It's got a little lens that watches it, so it's super accurate. It's got a camera over the top, so I can actually sit and watch it doing what it's doing as it's going. And like I say, it's safe. I've got my glasses because, again, you don't want to be looking directly at lasers. And with the red covering around it as well, it stops the laser radiation from leaving this little space. And I'm going to show you now how easy it is. Well, again, on the computer, there is a few different choices of software you can use when it comes to working with the FALCON2 PRO. I decided to go for Lightburn as it looked the best for me all around with what I wanted to do. And the Lightburn software, what it allows me to do is work within the program and change stuff within the program. So this is the reason I went for this one, and it's superb. Again, I can see the camera. There's a top mounted camera in here. I can see the camera through it. I can control everything. I can frame where I want it, so I can set my area, mark my area, what I'm going to do, and then I can basically send it to do what it's going to do. I can check, make sure everything's right, literally from sat here. I don't need to be in there, which is superb. So I'll turn it on and show you exactly what it can do. Well, my next job is going to be framing it, so making sure I've got my piece of wood positioned exactly where I want it to start the cut. So little safety feature, turn on and off with a key, so you can take the key out so the kids can't play with it, which is ideal. Again, right next to it, emergency stop button, superb. So this is it all kicking in. So what you can hear now is the extraction fan and the little air pump as well. So I'm going to send it to frame what we're going to cut out, which I'm going to make one of these, and it genuinely takes, I think it's about 2 minutes to cut one out. Well, that's it all ready to go. I've checked all the alignments, made sure it's right, closed my door, and away we go. And this is literally going to take just over 2 minutes to cut this whole thing out, have it exactly as we want it. Well, that's that one done. Really easy. Now, we can use this to cut, we can use it to engrave, we can use it to etch, we can do so many different things with this with the features that it has. It's got a 60-watt laser on it, so it is a class 1 laser, and it is, like I say, it really does do the job. The safety of it though, like I say, we're over the moon with it. We know that it works, we know that it cuts out, that if it needs to cut out and it's not doing what it should be doing. So we're really happy with that. I would say never leave it unsupervised, which is always just good advice, so you can keep an eye on it. We can also, if we wanted to, we've got rotary cutter as well, so we can add that into it and actually cut things into the actual, well, it doesn't have to just be a flat plain object like what we're doing now. And again, we'll show you with some of the other stuff, you can actually engrave into stuff, not just cut. So I'll show you what this has done now. Straight out the cutter, absolutely perfectly cut to absolute precision, and it's exactly what we're looking for. They've put a lot of thought in when they've made this machine, because it is so easy and so simple to maintain as well, whether it be from adjusting how you want to lay stuff inside. The bars literally just slot out and slot back in, just with the unique way that they've set all this up. And again, to maintain the laser, before we switch it on, we like to make sure it's nice and clean. So it has a lens inside here, which again, we just make sure it stays clean, just in case of any debris has popped up and done anything. And it is literally a 30-second job. Take it all out and put it all back in again. And it's that simple. That's the laser changed. Made sure it's all clean and ready to go again for the next time. We've only had this for a couple of days, and I've been able to go in and create stuff like this because it has been so easy. And it is just because of how easy they've made it and how good the actual laser is itself. Now, I've got a smaller laser with it as well, so I can do a number of different things. And just the fact that it's as precise as what it is. Like I said, this has made it so much easier for me, and any of you guys out there that are creative and do have that creative side, this is the perfect piece of kit. And right now they've got some amazing Black Friday sales on, so check out the link in the description because you won't be disappointed with a piece of kit like this.